Hey everyone, Jock Tatum here with MTech Mechanical Service Team. We are back again this quarter to talk to you today about preventative maintenance services. At MTech, we want to partner with you to make sure your systems are operating efficiently and with no downtime. MTech's preventative maintenance reduces energy costs by ensuring equipment operates at design performance levels, lowers capital expenses by extending equipment life, and reduces potential cost of major repairs. Teams at MTech are trained in mechanical system troubleshooting, carrying out round-the-clock emergencies and regular service calls. At MTech, we provide the depth and talent for the most challenging needs, big and small, from maintaining chillers and boilers to pumps and cooling towers. We are eager to partner with you to find solutions to your building maintenance challenges. Call us today for a better mechanical experience.